This is how to use the vidpilot. Once you open the app, when you go to YTSEO is where you actually optimize your video in order for your video to rank. AI image is used to create your image. Image to video is used to convert image to video. TTS is used to generate text to speech. You can see vidpilot is well equipped. Click on YT Studio, click on OK, allow it to open. Of course, a short ad will display. Now, you can use this YT SEO to boost your YouTube videos, to optimize your YouTube videos, to make it rank on Google, on YouTube. How do you do that? Let me open. Now, here is the interface. This is title and description. These two describe and suggest a title and also give you a description you are to just implement on your video. We also have keyword research. This one now do the research for you, does the research for you and give you the rightful keyword you are going to use. Here we also have hashtag generator. This is a tool that generates hashtag for you. So let us start with it. When we go to title and description, it's going to ask you what is your video about. Let's say for example you are teaching people on how to make money online. When you type here how to make money online, and then the next thing you want to do now, if you have a suggested name for your video, put the name here. So let's say my name I want to call it is I made $100 daily. Now once you are done with this, just click on generate SEO tool. Your optimization has been generated. Now optimized suggestion. Now this is a suggestion. Don't forget the title you have in mind is I made $100 daily. So right here now the suggestion it gives to you is laziest way to make money online in 2025, $100. So this one now start from here and end here. Now each capital letter starts with its own, like here now. So latest way to make money online, which is the first one, and the second one here now says these three legit apps will pay you daily with proof. The easiest, you understand now, the easiest way to make money online in Nigeria. This is another suggestion. Now the one you feel this one is okay, you just pick from that very suggestion. Coming down to description, here we have the description. You just copy like this and paste it on your video description. Then here are recommended tags you are going to use. Just click here to copy all recommended tags. You understand? So the next one we have here. So once you are done with that, the next one we have, it is called hashtag generator. Allow this to load please. So right now the next thing you want to do here is this. When you come to keyword research, right here you input your name. Let's say for example how to make money online is still how. Then you click on find related keywords. So you can see the related keyword it gives to you, which the competition is medium. You just copy this and use it on your video. This one now the one you add to your video. So here we have another one which is hashtag generator. Now remember your title is how to make money online. So the next you want to do now, you hit generate hashtags. which you are seeing here now, which says how to make money online. So once you copy all this, you'll be able to integrate it on your video. This helps your video to rank high on YouTube. Now let's go to the next two. The next one we have AI images. Of course, this one now give you the access for you to create image, to generate image that you are going to use on your content. You allow it to load, it's loading, then you just hold on. Once it's done loading, just click on the X to open the app. So right here, the next thing you want to do here, use your two finger to zoom it down, to scroll up, sorry, and then you can reduce it with your two finger. Scroll up again. Now this white interface is where you generate your images. Is so here you're gonna type the prompt. What kind of an image do you need? I'll just say African man. Now here we have African man. Then you choose your aspect ratio. This is for landscape for YouTube. This one is for YouTube. This one here is for TikTok, and this one is 1:1 square. So we pick the YouTube, and then you choose the style you want. I love this very style, photorealistic, and then you remove watermark. Click on remove watermark and generate, and boom, your image is ready. You see the quality. You see the quality we have here. You see the quality we have here. How do you download this video now? Just click on the image and hold it this way. Now you see save, click on save, and the image you download into your device. Let's go to the next two, which is image to video. The same thing, you click here to open image to video. You just allow it to load. We have about 20 something seconds to wait. So image to video, what does it do? Basically, it converts your image to video. Of course, you know about that too. It converts your image to video. That is what it does. Then I'll just click on, sorry about that. I click on that, that's why. So I'll just click here, and then here we are. So right here we have free image to video. You're going to scroll up. When you see something like this, just click this icon here and it's off. So now you're going to click here to upload your image, describe what you want your image to do. Just make your description, what you want your image to do here, and then you choose the model you want. This one is image to video model, this one is 2D model. So this is the best model, and then you hit generate and your video will be generated. Now let's go to the last two, which is TTX, text to image. You click on it, the same thing, you allow it to load before it's going to open. So right now, once it's open this way, you click on the X to remove the ad. So here you're going to describe what you want to type. Now you just remove all these ones, you delete all this speech here and put your own speech. Then you choose your preferred language here, your preferred model. Then you hit generate, and in a second it's
Welcome to
ready.
vidpilot AI text.
So how do you get it? Just hit the download button. When you hit the
Welcome
download
to
button, it will bring
vidpilot
it
AI
here.
text to
These
speech.
three dots, click
Enter
on the three dots and click on download. This is what this tool does for you. If you want to grow a YouTube channel, get it.